Welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. In the previous video, I discussed Introduction to Fuzzy Systems. That is, I shared classical set theory and fuzzy set theory. In this video, I will discuss about fuzzy logic. Let's start. What is fuzzy logic? Fuzzy logic is a method of reasoning that resembles human reasoning. Fuzzy logic imitates the way of decision making in humans. So the fuzzy logic mimics human reasoning ability, which involves possibilities between digital values yes and no. That is, binary values. The conventional logic, also known as traditional logic, block that a computer can understand takes precise input and produces a definite output as true or false, which is equivalent to humans' yes or no. In the previous video, we saw that traditional logic gives outputs in the form of true or false, the same way human does. The inventor of fuzzy logic, Lotfi-Zadeh, observed that unlike computers, human decision making includes a range of possibilities between yes and no. So, the inventor observed that computers answers in the form of yes or no, whereas humans makes decision and the decisions have range of possibilities, and the possibilities are between yes and no. Let's see the example. In this table illustrates the example. Let's see the example. Number 1 is certainly yes, possibly yes, cannot say. Sometimes the condition comes where nothing can be said. Next is possibly no and certainly no. So these are the range of possibilities, that is, decisions made by humans. In the similar way, the fuzzy logic works. It gives levels of possibilities of input to achieve definite output. In the similar way, the fuzzy logic works. Now let's see the implementation. So fuzzy logic can be implemented in systems with various sizes and capabilities. It ranges from microcontrollers to large, networked, workstation-based control systems. These are the systems where fuzzy logic can be implemented. It can also be implemented in hardware, software, or combination of both hardware and software. Now, why to study fuzzy logic? So it is very useful for commercial and practical purposes. So fuzzy logic can control machines and consumer products. Yes, it may not give accurate reasoning, but acceptable reasoning as human does. It also helps with uncertainty and engineering. So as fuzzy logic works in unambiguous situation also. So these are the reasons of fuzzy logic. These are the uses of fuzzy logic. In the next video, we'll discuss in detail about classical and fuzzy sets.